Ndumiriri ya minista wa utugata wa muingi Kuria kurumirira nderiti ya kuhagurwo kwa gavana wa Meru kawira mwangaza. Minista huyo akiuga gutire mahitia ekite magitongoria kuhagurwo gwake kuria arathire na mbere na gucebithia marĩtwa maya ma Masenator kimathing'ĩrĩria gutigana nake kuona gutire wĩira ni maigĩrĩra.
And I want to warn him that they should keep off Meru affairs. Let them concentrate with the work that he has been given by the president.
Kurumirira ndumiriri no Masenator marokire cuma ya minista huyo riko matongoretio ni Senator wa Nandi Aron cheruiyot akiuga Kuria ni agire kiene nyumba ya Senate niguo akendekithia gukinyio mbere yao niguo guthurima mitugo yake ina shabithia thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza.
Embarrassing them appointing authority and casting serious doubts on the choice ability of none other than His Excellency the President. That the earlier CS Moses Kuria is let off his duty, the better for this administration, Mr. Speaker.
Muruna wa Senator wa Nairobi Edwin Sifuna mukiri ndereti ino ya kwendekithia kuhagurwo kwa minista huyo kiuga kuona thengia wa speaker wa bunge ya Senate kutamukana wa Kuria ateti wagakuingirira ndereti ino hatari gutea watho uyu Kuria nathire na mbere na gutetia ndereti ino kiuga kiuga mitugo yake ti ya kwihokeka rita minister.
Harassment coming, that one I can guarantee. Mr. Speaker, what is most hurtful is that even after your communication, the CS who ordinarily should be asleep thinking about how he's going to make the lives of Kenyans better had the audacity to fire off another tweet on material that was presented before this house.
Akiamukiria Senator wa Homa Bay Kajwang' Otieno augite minister ta uyu urahuthira ng'enda cia ukinyanĩria guthoga mĩhang'o ya nyumba ya Senate agĩrĩirwo nĩ kweherio wĩra-inĩ na ihenya o ta ũrĩa kwahotekeka.
If the conduct of CS Moses Kuria was to be considered, his conduct falls within the threshold of impeachment. If he was a governor and if he was brought to this house, he would definitely be impeached.
Senator wa Meru na ari niwe munini wa speaker wa bunge ya Senate Murugi Gathuri endekithĩtie kuhagurwo gwa Kuria guko akimutara atigane na maundu ma andu wa Meru kuona ndagi mahota.
And when I CS just a log CS gets out there to make some very funny comments on social media, it is very embarrassing, and he is not serving, or whatever he is doing is not for the best interests of the Meru people.
Mateta mao mamukirirwo ni speaker wa bunge ino Amason Kingi kuria mendekithirie kwendekithia ndereti ino kuri bunge ya gĩbũrũri niguo ikorwo ikimuthũrima na maheo uigĩrĩrĩki wa kumuhagũra rĩu minista uyu agitigwo haceke kumana na maseneta maya kumumurikira maitho.
You may not be able to have that latitude to make a final resolution to send the Honorable CS home. But your recommendation to the other house will have a lot of weight.
Ngiribotera Muthingi TV, Rekoni Maina, Uga Mushwe.